What if I told you there's a skill you could learn today that would make AI your absolute superpower? And don't worry, this applies to all LLMs, ChatGPT, Gemini, and even Claude. Hey, what's up? John Shred here, and today we are talking about a topic that I believe is absolutely required in the workplace: AI prompt engineering. So what is it? I mean, at its core, it's about clear communication. AI models are extremely powerful, but they can't read your mind. Now, what makes up an effective prompt? Well, I've been reading Google's Prompting Guide 101, and they highlight 4 pillars. Well, I'm gonna add in a couple more for a total of 6. First up is persona. You should tell the AI who they are or who you are. Should it act like a marketing expert, a friendly chatbot, a tough negotiator? Defining a persona or a role gives the AI a frame of reference for its reply. In this example here, I'll say, hey, act as a seasoned financial expert with 20 years experience and explain compound interest to me like I'm a 5-year-old. Second up, and most arguably the most important, is the task. What do you want your AI to do? Are you asking them to summarize something, write a paragraph, brainstorm a new idea? Be clear and specific about the action you want it to take. Don't just say info about dogs. Instead, try summarize the key benefits of owning a dog. What do you think, Abby? The more precise the task, the better the AI can focus its efforts. Next is context. This is crucial because the AI doesn't have the background of your knowledge. You need to give it relevant information about your requests so it gets it. If you're asking it to write an email, explain why you're writing it, who it's for, the audience. For example, write an email to Mr. Johnson saying that there's a delay in the project, and the delay is caused by supply chain issues. Without that context, the AI is just guessing. Then we get to format. This is how the information will get presented to you. For example, list 5 productivity tips in bullet points. Or generate 2 columns side by side comparing feature A and B. This will save you a lot of time with having to reformat it later. So if you just think ahead of how you'll need it for the project, the report, whatever it is, just tell the AI and there's a good chance they can get you really close to the way there. All right, the next 2 are bonuses, but really pushes your prompting to the next level. Tone. How do you want the output to feel? Professional, humorous, casual, empathetic. The tone can actually dramatically change the output that the AI creates for you. Telling an AI to write a formal resignation letter versus a short casual message to my boss saying I'm leaving will have 2 very different outputs. It's about setting the emotional foundation, and I found that this is one of the most fun dials to turn in my prompting as it drastically changes the output. Finally, the last piece is examples. If you have a specific example, like a poem or a report and something, and you want it similar, give them a copy of that. And instead of trying to describe it with words, it can just read that file and go, okay, cool, I'll use the same structure. So by thinking about these 6 elements, persona, task, context, format, tone, and examples, it's kind of like a little song. Persona, task, context, format, tone, examples. You can change your AI prompting from just asking a simple question to really giving a significant amount of detail that'll really change the output. It's about being deliberate and iterative. You will not get it right on the first try, but try again. Ask it, hey, change this. I like this, but I didn't like this. It's very accommodating. Lastly, you don't have to use all 6 all the time, but I find that the more information you can give it, the better the results. I hope this was helpful. I know for me, these 6 elements really helped improve my prompting. Hopefully it does the same for you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below and find out if you didn't know about one of these 6 or you haven't used them, or now that you know, try them out. Let me know if you've seen the difference with your prompting. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.